As the money spent on politics increased, money became the center of the game. Campaigns became dependent on donors, lobbyists, and corporations. But never forget this. These donations are not charity, they are investments. And investors always expect a return. In the US, the lobbying industry is worth $4 billion annually. Some laws allow companies to earn billions with just a single piece of legislation. Democracy. From the very beginning, it was introduced to us as the most just system, where people shape their own lives. One person, one vote, the voice of the people, the foundation of justice. But something changed. Now, democracy isn't just a form of government anymore. It's become a business model. In ancient Greece, democracy was direct. Citizens would gather together, discuss laws, and cast their votes. There were no campaigns, no advertisements, no donors. But as the number of people in society grew, things began to change. It became impossible for everyone to come together and make decisions. So, representative democracy emerged to speak on behalf of the people. And those representatives soon realized just how important persuasion was. Nowadays, politics has become a market where not only ideas, but also your image is sold. When television entered our lives, it marked the era of democracy being marketed. The 1960 Kennedy-Nixon debate is the perfect example of this. Those who listened on the radio thought Nixon was more convincing, but those who watched on television were captivated by Kennedy's charisma. From that moment on, how you looked became more important than what you said. Today, every election has become a massive economic event. Consultants, advertisers, data companies, media organizations, all of them are part of it. Each election season creates a political market where billions of dollars are spent. The candidate has now become a product, the party a brand, and the voter a target customer. Today there is something even more important than money: data. Political parties now operate with massive data sets. Who believes in what they fear, where they click. It's all being tracked. Each person receives a different message. In other words, the same candidate appears differently to everyone. This is classic advertising, tailored for politics, political micro-targeting. The ironic part is this. This system works even if the public doesn't believe in it. Because what keeps it running isn't trust, it's profit. Is the public angry? Great. Is there polarization? Perfect. Because anger drives engagement, and engagement means profit. Politics has now become part of the rating economy. Just like social media, the content that gets the most reactions earns the most money. But the most important part of this story is us. Because this system runs on what we do. So we are not just customers, we are also the raw material itself. But voters who understand the game can make a difference. Financial literacy isn't just knowing about investments. It's recognizing how the system operates with money. History keeps repeating itself, and it tells us this. When a system stops prioritizing the people and puts profit first, sooner or later it collapses. Democracy is no exception. So, in the next election, Consider not only who you are voting for, but also who is financing them. Because wherever the money goes, the power is there too.